Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I'm come up with a recipe which is Dal Tadka. Okay, last time it was dal fry. Today I'm showing you all Dal Tadka. For that again I have taken this moong dal which I took 1 cup, same measurement. So this is my measurement. I have taken one of this vati, or you can say one bowl of this, and I have taken 2 bowl of hot water. First of all I washed this, then I soaked it in hot water, okay, for around 30 minutes, and now it's ready to go in a pressure cooker. The other ingredients what we need now to go along with this is 2 onions, 1 green chili, 2 tomatoes. I've taken around 4 flakes of garlic, and this I'm just putting this curry leaf. So this is now will go for to cook along with this. So let's do this. So water measurement is again 2 of that same measurement what we took of dal. And now we'll add in this tomatoes, chilies and onions and garlic. So now let's add our salt to taste. So I'm taking 1 teaspoon of this. Now mix all this, and now we'll add little bit of turmeric powder. So around 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt to taste and turmeric powder. Now mix this all, and we'll cover this. On the gas, medium flame, 2 whistles. So 2 whistles on medium flame. Now for tadka we will be needing this. So I've taken around 2 big tablespoon of oil, like this of oil. So it is like 3/4 of this bowl, you can see, of this tadka. It's 3/4 of that. Then the other ingredients what we need for tadka is this: some few Kashmiri chilies, 2 flakes of garlic, few curry leaves. I've taken this 1 chili, a green chili which is turned into red. It is so again then optional. I'm not going to use, but you can use this. And 1 green chili like this chopped. So this is will for tadka. Along with that, we'll add some mustard seed, like around 2 teaspoon of this mustard seed, and 2 teaspoon of cumin seed, little bit of asafoetida, that is hing, and I will be adding coriander powder and turmeric powder. I will show you step by step. So I will be not adding any chili powder to this. The first city. Now we need 1 more. So 2 cities are done. So I have put off the gas. So now we'll wait till it comes to the normal temperature, and after that, after it is cooled down, then we will open up and start our tadka. So now here it is, and the dal is cooked. Okay. So now we'll have to give tadka. So we'll start our tadka procedure. So I'm transferring this to the serving bowl. You can directly give tadka for in whichever you are going to give tadka, in that you can put this. That is our tadka vessel. Now we'll start our tadka. So now here my oil, which I kept to become hot. Let it become nice hot. After that we will put a So now it's hot. So we'll add our 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. So it has to splutter. Be careful of this. Oil is very hot. Now we'll add our cumin seeds. And we'll add our all the others which I showed. Make this slow. Your garlic and our chilies. So all is gone in this. Now we'll put half teaspoon of turmeric on this and half teaspoon of cumin, coriander powder. So let this all go nicely. So now this time, if you want to add your Maggi cube, you can add. I am not adding. So now, and after this, no more cooking your this. So now we will give our tadka to our dal. So that is done. And we will put off our gas. And then here it goes. Dal Tadka is ready to serve. Hope you will enjoy this and let me know how it is. Dal Tadka is ready with a nice tadka. Thank you.